1, 2, 3.
Adventures of Will!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Will Edmond with the Adventures of Will, and today we're in my beautiful city, Atlanta, Georgia. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best things to see, eat, and do. So let's go on an adventure. Let's go, baby. These tips are great for someone like you that's coming to Atlanta this summer. If this is your first time watching my channel or on my channel or watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification for automatic updates. Piedmont Park is located 1 mile northeast of downtown Atlanta. This place has a lot of nature, from turtles to ducks to even birds. You can find it all here in Piedmont Park. I usually come to this park about once a week, and a lot of locals and visitors come to Piedmont Park every day. Got kids? One great thing about Piedmont Park is they have accommodations for all. Piedmont Park is a beautiful park, and it's also the largest park in Atlanta. There are also athletic fields, dog parks, and various restaurants located right outside of the perimeter of Piedmont Park. So if you're hungry, grab some food while you're at it. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of dogs in the park, but I think I just saw a raccoon over there. And if you're hot like I am, make sure you grab a King of Pop. They're some of my favorite popsicles here in Atlanta, and you can find them throughout Atlanta, but also here in Piedmont Park. If you're into history like I am, one of the most historic sites is located right here in Old Fourth Ward area. Dr. Martin Luther King Historic Site, and it also includes several buildings. One of those buildings is his childhood home and also his father's church that Dr. King actually later took over.
Oh, are we traveling too?
Yeah, so what's your name?
I'm Chris. Nice to meet you, man.
Yo, Chris, tell the people what's up, man.
Hey, man, we from the 305, you know what it is. We on a college tour, we visited Georgia.
Tell me something that you learned here.
That Martin Luther King, he grew up here when he was ages 1 to 12, and he fell off that roof and broke his leg.
Man, I didn't even know that.
Well, now you know. Now you know.
And across the street is Fire Station number 6. It served the Sweet Auburn community up until 1991. Now it serves as a gift shop and an exhibit on desegregation in the Atlanta Fire Department. Got a sweet tooth like me? Don't want to feel all the guilt? Revolution Donut has a special place in my heart. They have a lot of vegan donut options that you can choose from. I'm gonna go here and try the raspberry sprinkle donut. Let's go taste it. So the donuts are out. Not only did I get a raspberry donut, but I also got an apple fritter, a vanilla bean, and a blackout, which is kind of like a brownie. So let's go ahead and try the raspberry. It has some weight on it. I can tell that it's very moist, very soft. It smells raspberry-ish. Let's bite in. It's good. That's really good. So if you're in Atlanta, make sure you check out Revolution Donuts. Do I have anything in my beard? Revolution Donut is located here on Edgewood Avenue, about a few minutes from downtown Atlanta. Make sure you tell them Will Edmond from the Adventures of Will brought you here and try some of the delicious donuts. I promise you, they will not disappoint. So let's go on more explorations around the great city of Atlanta. So my brew from Hop City has arrived. I'm trying the Monday Night Space Lettuce, and with 2 of these, you get very spacey. But we're not finished. We're still here in Krog Street Market. I want to take y'all to a local small batch chocolate shop, and our next stop here at Krog Street Market is Chocolate. It is a small batch chocolate shop. If you and your boo's ever on a date here in ATL, go ahead and go and make y'all some chocolate and get booed up real quick. James, tell the people what's up.
How you all doing?
So this is a small batch chocolate shop here in the Krog Street Market. They have some amazing chocolates, from dark chocolate, milk chocolate, is right?
No milk chocolate.
No milk chocolate. We lied. It's all dark chocolate, y'all.
It's all soy, dairy, and
soy, dairy, and gluten-free. So that means I can eat it because I don't drink any milk. So let's do this, man.
Basically, everything that we have here is ranging from 60% up to 100%. The higher the percentage, that means the more bitter the bar. Down here we have our flavor inclusions, meaning they have other added flavors. Up top we have our single origin bars like Peru, Nicaragua, Madagascar. We have Ecuador and Costa Rica. We make everything back here. This is like our whole little production facility. So this is like our whole operation. We do everything strictly from bean to bar.
What's up, guys? So right now we're on the Beltline. I really like riding on the Beltline because you can ride a scooter, you can ride a bike, you can walk, you can run. It's a very great place to be active outside in Atlanta. And guess what? It's free. My favorite word, F-R-E-E. He came through here like the Matrix, damn. And our next stop is Cabbagetown, which is a very old neighborhood. So one thing I like about Cabbagetown is the restaurants such as Little's, Carroll Street Cafe, and there's a host of other places that you can eat at right here in Cabbagetown. So right now we're on Carroll Street. This street is probably one of the narrowest streets in Atlanta. So if you're ever driving your car down here, you gotta drive it a little bit safe. A lot of the workers in the late 1800s and 1900s that worked at this mill here lived in these homes on Carroll Street. The Palisades straddle both sides of the Chattahoochee River. This striking landscape has long been recognized as a special place. Urban development in the 1960s threatened the area. A grassroots initiative formed to protect the river corridor and forest. All right, so while I'm out here hiking, I gotta tell y'all about these dope shoes that I'm wearing called Suaves. Suaves are some great shoes that you can wear in the outdoors. If you're hiking, fishing, running, you can do all that in Suaves. And I'm wearing my favorite pair, the ones that are red, the high tops. These are some comfortable shoes. Make sure you check out Suaves. Make sure you click on my link for 10% off. And up next is my favorite coffee shop in the Atlanta area, Chattahoochee Hills Coffee Company. One thing I like about this coffee shop is that it's right here in nature on the Chattahoochee River, and you can grab some delicious drinks. Right now I'm drinking a chai latte with oat milk. This coffee shop is very relaxing. Being right here on the river, you can meditate. You can also bring your computer out here and work. Man, look at this view. This coffee shop is a nature lover's playground. You can walk out here, explore, walk through all the trails. Amazing river here. So, we're at the Chattahoochee River, and I have some new friends here. Tell the people what's up.
Hey.
What's your name?
My name's Natalie.
Nice to meet you, Natalie.
Nice to meet you.
And you're from Atlanta?
I am.
And what's your name?
Sheridan.
Hey, Sheridan, nice to meet you.
You too.
You from Atlanta?
Yeah.
Awesome. So what do you like about the coffee shop here on the river?
I like bringing people here. I'm bringing her here.
This is my first time.
Yeah.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it so relaxing?
Cool, yeah.
I love coming here. I come here probably every 2 weeks
Yeah.
just to do a lot of work and to
Yeah.
relax and everything like
It's
that.
fun. I've read plenty of books right there. It's fun to watch people on the river.
Yeah, it is. Well, thank
Yeah.
y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe, which you probably already have.
Already.
And give a shout out. Tell the people where you're from again.
We're from Atlanta. We go to Auburn.
Yeah, War Eagle.
University.
Oh, yes. Thank y'all so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.